Hey, so it's about Will TV and we back another video today, man. Today we sliding in traffic and we reacting, and that's what we doing. So we back at it for real. Damn, I just had to do it. But yeah, let's get right into it, man. Gonna waste no time. For real. Alright, let's do it. Alright, what that? Hondeezy? Oh shit. Oh shit. What? Max sauce, huh? Got that max sauce, huh? I ain't tripping, huh? We just got that max sauce, huh? Got that hit, man, huh? From that down, no.
Before I start, I just want to say I don't promote anything that you see in this video. It's obviously a max sauce compilation because none of these guys can drive, and if you do the same thing that you see here, you'll end up in the same position.
Exactly.
These guys just...
That's my disclaimer on top of that. My top of that disclaimer on top of his disclaimer. So yeah, y'all do this, y'all really slow, for real. Cause if you ain't got it, you ain't got it. Sorry.
straight up took out the whole fence with them.
Alright, you gotta do it around this corner.
Do what around what corner? That's the problem. See, don't let y'all friends hype y'all up. Talking about something, you gotta do it around this corner. What you finna do? Some dumbass.
I mean, I don't know what the hell this guy expected.
Oh, shit. Oh.
This guy right here was doing a little too much, man. He could have just turned normally, but he decides to do this.
First of all, he going way too fast. Do anything. He said, hey, do that cool thing you do, bro. I'm going to do it. Watch this, dude. Watch me do it. Oh, shit. Damn. Fuck. Oh, they fucked that car up. Oh, they fucked that car up.
I just want to know who the hell gave this guy a hellcat.
What is going on? Oh God, I'm bro.
I don't know why this guy was just turning.
Bro, my thing is when people lose control, they just like, in that situation, bro, he decided that I'm just not gonna use my brakes.
Who the hell gave this guy a hellcat?
What is going on? Oh God, I'm bro.
Damn. First of all, I'm not a hellcat. Second of all, damn. Third of all, he ain't even slide. Fourth of all, stop doing that. Fifth of all, this damn, it gotta be in Atlanta. Well, it's not Atlanta. Other places got quick trips. I thought it's snowing. It's not Atlanta. Other places got quick. Alright, for sure.
I don't know why this guy was just turning so aggressively.
Before anything wrong happens, why are we cutting up with an old ass Toyota Camry? No, old ass Toyota Corolla. That's red flag number 1 out of 17.
Oh, it's over.
Again, and damn.
Go, get out there. Go.
This guy had a slight mirror top, but at least it wasn't a big knock.
No. Nigga still driving, I would have turned the radio off. I would have stopped. I would have slowed down. I'm going 10 miles an hour on the freeway now. I would hit like 75. That was too close for comfort, though.
I swear these cars are just addicted to hitting
Wait,
poles.
y'all see this? This went viral though. He had just bought his Charger SRTA. I don't know if y'all seen. He just bought his Charger SRTA. I think he out here in Atlanta. And yeah, man, he wrecked it like a week or two later. Not even a week. I think a couple of days, man. It's sick. I hate that for my boy. He did it in front of a whole bunch of people.
Dude, that's yeah.
Damn.
Yo, bro, what the hell is up with this passenger, bro? This guy just straight up moaning.
Yo, what the hell? I can already tell this shit gonna end bad, cause this dude not.
Yes, sir. Get the camera. I'm scared. All right, stop. I don't no more.
Shit, stop. Look at him. Oh shit! Damn! That motherfucker still crashing.
Call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone up.
This guy's just straight up maxing slow
That car is finna call 911 for them. I love that.
motion, bro.
I'm gonna eat this jalapeno. Hold up.
shit. Oh, I'm act.
What happened?
Damn. Thank you. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm act. Oh,
Damn.
oh, shit. Oh, I'm act. Damn. Thank you. Thank you.
Boy, what the hell?
Someone said that he hit something at the end, but low-key, I think this was clean.
I can't do that, bro. No. That's a G. Is that not a G? That's a G. I know if you Q and I hear it. That ain't no G, nigga. I'm lying. Y'all built different, bro. I don't even see how. Have y'all ever white line before? Have y'all ever white line before? That's literally insane. I couldn't do it.
At this point, I gotta do a C300 compilation, bro. The way these guys be moving.
Oh, hell no. I already know that's a wreck. He never had it. What he said? You never had me? Bro, you never had your car, dude. Dude never had his car, bro. From the get-go, though, y'all thought he was really holding that motherfucker? Look.
At this point, I gotta do a C300 compilation, bro. The way
That's
these
when he
guys be
lost it
moving.
right there. He lost it right there. I promise you. Damn. That shit over with. Just got it too. That be over with. It don't look bad on this side. The other side gotta be tore up. Damn.
This guy literally saw his life flash before his eyes.
I'm down
Oh.
with that car seat, bro. I swear, bro. What the fuck? God damn, bro. I'm coming. I'm sliding, bro. I'm trying to get the fuck out the way. I'm sliding.
I mean, these guys are.
Why you pissed? You see what this, bro? You can't be mad once you wreck your shit. Nigga got pissed cause a car that's supposed to be over there, cause it's broke down, was over there. Tell you shit. I seen it on Google Instagram though.
I'm
Damn.
down with that car seat, bro. I swear, bro. What the fuck? God damn, bro. I'm coming. I'm sliding, bro.
And he pissed. He pissed like the car wasn't supposed to be there. But why are you driving fast as hell through the goddamn, what's the shit called? That's not even a median. The motherfucker side, motherfucker, y'all don't talk about, like, yo, like, come on now, stop it.
I'm trying to get the fuck out the way. I'm sliding.
Try to get the fuck out of the way.
I mean-
No, this nigga was trying to slide through that bit. And slide to hit that shit. You know what I'm saying?
These guys are just pushing their luck a little too much.
In the rain. Damn. How do you explain it to the cops, bro? I didn't see, it's raps. It's raps. Y'all might as well go ahead and pack it up. No, Sirski.
I don't even know what the hell this guy was trying to do.
First of all, they shot this shit in the toaster. Shot it be on a Nokia. Over with. Damn. I'm gonna get PTSD in this bit. I'll be back. We having we having technical difficulties. First of all, this shit was shot in 140p off a Nokia flip phone. Off that Razor bitch. Y'all know nothing. Y'all may be too young for that. Now that Razor flip phone joints, everybody 1-on-1. That was the iPhone for the iPhone. Anyway, I'm yapping, but yeah. Damn. I can be PTSD in this bit. I done wrecked too many cars. It didn't be car full, bro. You just fucked up 4 people shit. I mean, 3 other people shit.
Nah, bro, I can't believe this is real.
Pissed. I'm pissed. I gotta go home after that. Nigga like, damn, bro, I was trying to get ready to race.
Bro's really doing
car
all
up.
this in a Civic, bro. What do you expect?
This guy got to be his own stunt man.
Damn.
Yeah, man, you don't got it, my man. You don't got it, bro. Hold on, let me record him. You don't got it, bro. Pull over, Eddie. Damn, bro. You don't got it, bro.
Damn.
Me know what's wrong with him, you know.
Not you don't
All
got
these guys
it,
here
bro.
were just moving crazy, bro.
Oh, okay, he made, bro. I can't do that shit. Oh, he finna crash soon. That's why you can't cut up with anybody, bro. Damn. Slow down now. That was actually clean. I wouldn't have did no shit like that. Fuck. God damn. Are they sliding together or are he just being a dumbass? Both. I don't even see why they be doing that though. Like I said, you can't cut over everybody, man. This gonna end wrong because they're going too fast. Ain't nothing happened yet. How much better car gonna cut in front of him? Is that a Corolla? That's a Civic. Patience, my dog. Why are you trying to pass the person you cutting up with? Look at that. Now y'all in an accident because your stupid ass wanted to pass him. Goofy. They just hit each other, right? Am I tweaking? Look at this man. Look at this man. Somebody get their man. That's the end of the video, man. I heard from my camera cut off, but that's the end of the video, man. This is video number 7, I think. Video number 7 out of 15. We're a little bit, we're about halfway there. So if you made it to the end, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. If you made it to the end, let me know. Say WCE.3 or say I made it to the end, twin, or say twin, we locked in, so I made it to the end. Hell yeah, do that one. For real, let's see who make it to the end. But yeah, that's in the video. And we dropped a bit today. And then I let my camera charge. We're gonna react to Deshae Frost. Deshae Frost just did season 3. And they in Atlanta. Bro. He got a whole bunch of girls in Atlanta. So I'm react to that. I'm talking they be in the morning. So y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, we got this bit free. For anybody else. Free.